Introducing the ElleeMIX Powder, where precision meets performance, a professional thickening agent formulated specifically for the Korean lash lifting technique. An innovative 5-gram lami mix formula to transform your lash lift emulsions into a luxuriously creamy texture to allow for precise wrap and lift methods, giving you maximum control and placement accuracy. ElleeMIX enhances the viscosity of your lifting and setting lotions while conditioning the lashes. Infused with biotinol, tripeptide 1, panthenol, vitamin E and glycerin, ElleeMIX also has nourishing botanical oils like sweet almond oil and jojoba. ElleeMIX can provide condition and strength to the lashes, supporting lash health while performing a treatment in true Elleebana style. For viscosity adjustment, add approximately 20 to 30% of ElleeMIX powder to your existing lash lift lotion and mix until creamy and stable. Depending on the thickness of the lashes and the resistance, a 50-50% ratio is suitable for more resistant or coarser lashes. Do not exceed the 50-50% ratio, as too much powder can dilute the lotion and may slow down processing times. ElleeMIX for professional use only and allows up to 100 applications per bottle.